All right. We're at Battle Hall at UT Austin. And there's the Gated Otis elevator, and look who we're joining today.
Hey.
That's scary. Hey.
Say y'all's names.
I'm Alex.
I'm Gara. Kenji.
I'm Shania.
These are people from my local school, and this person is from my church. What are we going to be doing?
We're riding this elevator. It's the first gated elevator I will ever be on.
That's correct.
I'm nervous.
How'd you rate?
This is actually scary. This is literally scary. Who's going first?
Are we getting in?
I'll operate the elevator.
Okay.
I'll push the skate all the way in.
Okay. I kind of want to. I'm gonna go in.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so small.
It's really
small.
Don't let that door slam, Kenji. Let it.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, can you step away, please?
Want me to close the... Oh, you're gonna...
No, it closes automatically.
Okay, that's where
All right.
people get hurt.
You guys are ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
All right. With that said, let's take it down to 1. Here we go.
Take it to one of the higher floors.
Yeah, he
'cause
said 6
we
and 7.
Yeah, just go up.
All right. Oh, we're not getting off anyways.
Okay.
You want to start up or you want to start down?
Up.
You have to go up.
That's not... It's very neat.
That's so cool.
Andrew's the whole reason for this elevator.
Oh my goodness.
It does that. This is a single speed, top driven traction. Single speed traction elevators were common in the 20s and 50s. So that's the reason why the elevator stops so hard, because it's a single speed single speed drive. All right, take it down to 1.
Okay.
Sure.
Wait, what does single speed mean?
Single speed is when the elevator starts moving at a certain speed that does not level. It just stops directly.
Oh, I get that.
It just gives off the characters back in the days. Now going up, can we all be quiet so we can hear the motor?
Yes.
Yep.
Sure thing.
Who wants to set it up?
Wait, someone push.
Just click it.
Yeah, just press 7.
Longest ride of my life.
Yeah.
Now going down, want to hear the motor starting up as well. Now before we go down, anything you want to say to Andrew?
Thank you, Andrew.
Thanks. This is a really cool elevator.
Super cool elevator.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat. I really like it.
All right. So with that being said, let's be quiet and go down to 1. Actually, before we go down, I directly want to hear the motor start up without the gate sound, because it just overpowers. That's the reason why I shut it manually.
Okay.
So Kenji, at least it stops to right here. So
Oh, okay, my bad.
who wants to send it down to 1?
Alright, I'm gonna press it this time.
All right, let's be quiet. Classic Otis leveling. Sorry, my camera just lost the focus. What do you guys think?
I think it's really cool. I've never
Yeah,
seen an
I didn't
elevator
know
like
campus had this type of
Yeah, no, me neither.
It's a lot less terrifying than I thought it would.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, really? Because I'm horrified right now.
I mean, other than the gate closing.
Yeah. And it didn't stop.
It's like,
Oh my God,
it's like
I know.
Disney Mansion ones.
Yeah.
Haha.
What a ride. I
Yeah.
can't wait to throw up when we
Oh
get
my
on.
god.
No.
You guys want one more right, or you're good?
Oh, it depends on
Whatever's
you.
fine with you, Jim.
Yeah.
To you.
Yeah.
You know what? These guys need another ride.
I agree.
I
Yeah.
needed that. You're right.
How are you feeling, Shania?
Feeling good.
Feeling nauseous.
Kind of want.
All right, we'll go down to 5. We'll end the video there.
Perfect.
All right, let's tumble it down.
I actually really like studying here. Studying here is like
Yeah. Super Hogwarts.
Off the destination.
That is true.
All right, let this gentleman needs to
You.
use it. Out comes those guys out.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll close the door gently. All right, let's watch it go. What do you guys think?
I thought it was really cool.
Very cool.
You want to say hi to Andrew?
Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Andrew.
Hey, Andrew.
We all, you know this. Andrew is the whole reason for this elevator right here.
Did he build it?
No, he did not build it.
Showed
This,
it to you?
no, he was the first person. Actually, Nicholas. There's this one elevator guy. His name is Nicholas, also known as Captain Elevator 4219. He lives here, and he showed Andrew this elevator when he came down to Austin in 2010.
Oh, okay.
And he talked with one of the staff members, and once he comes down, he gets greeted by the staff, and they show him this elevator right here. Andrew is the whole reason for this elevator right here.
Wow.
Any feedbacks you want to say to him?
Thanks. It's great.
Yeah, thanks for discovering it. Yeah.
It's a great
So-
find.
Say what, Kenji?
It's a great find.
This is by far one of my absolute most favorite elevators of all times.
Wow.
And Andrew, if you're watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for showing us this beauty. I had an honor of taking these guys on a ride. If this wasn't for you, Andrew, I would have never known about this beauty. And also, too, thank you so much, Andrew, for saving this elevator from being decommissioned as I heard it was going to be. But thanks to you, Andrew, for saving it. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Well, Jim, you have an awesome day too, and hi to all of Jim's friends. Jim is an awesome person. I just got out of church. I'm going to pick up my stepson, and we're going to the bus museum. See you soon, Jim.